Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
The sky won't fly in front of us.
We are very pleased to have you among us, and we welcome you in behalf of the people of Mauritius to this island, and hope you will enjoy your short stay here. And Swamiji, how long are you going to stay here?
The program is 1 week.
1 week. Have you got any special program? You are going for lectures or?
I do not know what they are named. But my secretary said that it will be one.
Had you had any idea of Mauritius before you came here? Do you know anything about
My
it?
idea is to preach Krishna consciousness, because for want of this knowledge, our mission of human life is failing all over the world. Therefore, I am trying to introduce this Krishna consciousness all over the world without any distinction of caste, creed, color. God is for everyone. And we have forgotten our relationship with God. Therefore, we are suffering in so many ways. And His instruction is there in the Bhagavad Gita. If we follow, then we become happy. Our life becomes successful. This is our mission.
Well, briefly you have explained the purpose of your visit.
Yes.
And of course, as we know, by now we know that it is a worldwide movement.
Yes.
And we are pleased that it has reached Mauritius at last, on long last. And we hope that there will be scope for this movement too, and with your blessing.
If you kindly give me the opportunity,
Yes.
then I can explain to you
Yes.
how much important this movement is and how everyone should take to it. All this is very easy, but people are not trained up. So let us try combine this. People may take it and be happy.
So thank you very much, Swamiji, and hope that your stay will be very fruitful after a long and arduous work that you have been doing throughout the world. We hope that you will be...
I want to see the living man
Yes.
of this place, because if they understand the importance of this movement, then my mission will be successful.
We will have the opportunity of seeing.
Yes. Jad jad acharati shrestha tattadeva itareja.
Yes.
Bhagavad Gita is said.
Yes.
The leaders,
Yes.
whatever they do,
Yes.
the ordinary common man follows.
Follow suit. That's fine. Yes.
So, if leading men of Mauritius, if they understand the importance of this movement, then I am sure it will be very much beneficial for everyone.
For you. Yes. So thank you very much, Swamiji, on behalf of the people of Mauritius, of all our friends, and the NBC TV who have been very kind enough. Here you have the chairman here. And we are very grateful to you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama